Understanding the phrase, "Show me the money," an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and popular phrase in the English language, "Show me the money." This phrase is not just about finance, but it carries a rich context in culture and emotion. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and history of this interesting phrase. I hope you'll find this video insightful and fun. Show me the money literally means asking someone to display or present the money they have promised or are expected to provide. It's a direct and straightforward request for financial proof or payment. This phrase can be used in various situations, ranging from casual to formal contexts, depending on the tone and setting. The phrase gained immense popularity from the 1996 film, Jerry Maguire, where it was used as a catchy, humorous expression. It encapsulates a demand for proof of financial reward or success. In popular culture, "show me the money" has become synonymous with the desire for monetary success or proof of financial benefit. It's often used humorously or to express excitement about potential financial gain. Metaphorically, the phrase can be used to ask for proof or evidence in situations beyond just financial transactions. For instance, in a business context, asking someone to "show me the money" might mean asking for evidence of results or success, not just financial gain. It's a way of asking someone to prove their claims or promises, emphasizing the need for tangible, concrete evidence. Let's look at some examples of how "show me the money" can be used in everyday conversations. 1. Negotiation: "I won't sign this deal until you show me the money." 2. Skepticism: "You say your idea will be profitable, but show me the money." 3. Excitement about opportunities: "I heard about your new business venture, show me the money." "Show me the money" is a versatile phrase in the English language, rich in cultural and emotional significance. Whether used literally, metaphorically, or humorously, it reflects a demand for proof, especially regarding financial matters. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.